To the production batching tutorial for EvoNET. This tutorial will show you how to create and edit batches using EvoNET. Begin by selecting production batches from the main menu. Use create batches to open the batching page. From here, you can use several filters to specify the orders to be batched. Choose to filter by customer, production or delivery date, colour and delivery route. The plus minus button to view the contents of each order, and the tick boxes to select whole jobs or individual frames. Once you are happy with your selection, click Create to create the batches. You now see a menu displaying the orders selected, sub-batched based on your production rules. This is a preview. If you are happy with the results, click Create again and enter a reference. This will then create the sub-batches. In order to edit the contents of a batch, select Edit Batches from the left-hand menu. In order to add or remove, you need to enter the job number and the item number. Then select the Add or Remove button, whichever is relevant. Reset the entire sub-batch, click the Reset button, and then click Confirm. This will then allow you to rebatch the items you have cancelled. Thank you for watching the EvoNET batching tutorial. For more information on EvoNET, please contact us on 01925 296 105 or email sales@businessmicros.co.uk.